fearing of losing a job. Fine. Let me tell you something very, very simple. Okay. I'm not telling today that I will make sure to get rid of your fear, because I myself fear every single minute in a day, but I don't show it. Why I don't show it? Because when I show it, I lose myself. I lose my confidence. Because for me, fear is inside me. It is state of mind. And even confidence is also inside me, but you will see it. Being in an organization where we are impacting people every single day through your actions, through your talks, to your gestures, what you have to do in day-to-day activities is like you have to show lot of confidence during these type of pandemic situations. You no need to fear this statement. I cannot say yes, we have to fear a bit, but not 24 by 7. There are so many other diseases or accidents we can die. Okay, but now there is one more addition, that is COVID-19. Nothing else changed. There is one extra thing which has taken one extra life. So in the list of threats, there is one more added. Okay, now this situation what we are undergoing is something very new and surprising and little bit threatening also. When you listen to TV news, social media posts which are more related to deaths or number of people who got affected because of COVID-19, what will happen to you is like you will get scared, you will suffer, you will have sleepless nights. You have to reduce a lot of input in your brain, because you have to start unlearning so many things. You have to stop seeing which is not relevant to you. Yes, there is a threat across globally, okay, but you should not feel for them every single day and live in isolation or live with depression. Okay, what you can do at this point of time is like you have good amount of time in your hands. Many people who tend to say like I don't have time for my family, for my hobbies, for my passion, for my exercise, physical exercises, and also something like doing some innovative things. This is the time which you have, and almost 75% of the time is already lost. So what you can do at this point of time is like you have to clearly cut down the things which are not relevant to you at this point of time, but you have to focus on primarily three things. The first thing is you have to stay indoors. There is that is the best thing what we can do at this time. Social distancing is something the best thing what we have to do throughout the year as well. Okay, beside doing all these things, what you have to do is like you have to have a healthy routine. Try one single day. Try to get up at morning 5 o'clock. One single day. Is it not possible? It is possible. Get up at 5 o'clock. Don't touch your phone. Just go to your kitchen. Take a glass of water. Everybody says this thing, but when you do this, you will enjoy it. Go, just open your front door. Just breathe the fresh air. Is it tough? It is not tough at all. It is quite very, very simple, and the feeling what you get, you will not get so easily. And that too in Delhi, if people are living there, previously they won't get, but now they will get this beautiful feeling of breathing fresh air. After that, have a routine. In that routine, try to have good food, talk to the people, try to have that prep talks about the company, about the work. If somebody is cutting down your salary to some percentage, or unexpectedly there is a layoff, all these things will tend to happen for sure. And these are all external. What I meant to say is like there are so many things internally you have to build now. You have to build your confidence, you have to build your knowledge, you have to build that trust that you can do much more greater things. When you lose a job, when there is a salary cut, when there is a contract period got end, yes, you will have but 1 2 days of stress or rupture, or you might, so many things will be running in your brain. When the things are tough, you should not quit. You should take a break, a little break. Take a break for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Then you have to bounce back, because if you don't bounce back, there is so many people dependent on you, because wonders will not happen in a single day. You have to come back every single day, showing your face, showing your confidence, and you have to go and get it. And now, during this time, what I meant to say is like, have a healthy routine. Okay, whatever damage happened to you, that's okay. But what you're going to do next, that really matters. Every single day is important. Every single connection you make in social networks is important, and every single discussion you make with the people is very, very important. And always have a positive attitude and write your feelings out. You can take a notes, you can take social media, you just need to have your content which is real, pour it out, speak it out, so that the agony what was there inside your heart will tend to get reduced. And then you will, there is a lot of room for building and confidence. When people like you, when people comment you, when people share your things, what happens is like it builds a lot of confidence. When there is a lot of confidence, you will start doing things what you have to do. And this is the time, don't get worried. Okay, this is not the time where you have to sit back. This is the time you have to step up, take the opportunities, see how best I can do the same thing in more simpler way. Many businesses, what happens is like, because of this coronavirus, people are not able to come to the companies, not are not able to do the projects how it is designed to do, and so many things are being held. Okay, now what we have to do is like, we have to drill down into small chunks, how this can be mitigated, executed with different ideology. Today, when many companies, major companies, in next 2 3 years, they have a plan to make sure there's 70 or 75% of workforce to work at home. So they are bringing in so much technology to make sure the talent work from home and deliver the things. When things like this happens, there are so many industries like real estate and marriage functions. Okay, and there are transport. All these got affected because of coronavirus. You can think very new ideas and ideologies, just like you can start doing something very interesting like e-marriages, conduct marriages in the Zoom and send certificates. It might sound funny, but the thing is like, these things will definitely come up, because when there is an uncertainty, new things will come up. When new things will come up, the person who will utilize that opportunity for his and his organization growth will stay there. Any company which is surviving this pandemic, it's pure miracle. Trust my words, it's pure miracle.